Hey guys, Rune Ellingsen here, and this is a short video about TV Boss. TV Boss is a new product launched today, which is regarding a entertainment channel called Roku, which you can have on your TV. So with the Roku, it's an option where you can add movies and channels and more. So as you can see, this is an article from TechCrunch, and it was released the 8th of November. And from this article, you can see that Roku is one of the main players that is actually going to go head to head with YouTube and several others. So TV Boss on its own is a product which it teaches you how to add your own videos or other people's videos to a channel you make, and by doing so you can have a lot of visitors because they are looking for content on Roku and the channels on it. So from the test they have done over the last year, they have pulled in a lot of subscribers, and as you can see here, this is from a promotion they did from 11 days only, and they got 8,547 subscribers, and this is free, okay, using other people's videos. So this is where it's at. So TV Boss launched today, and you can see the sales page here. They are the man behind it, Dr. Alex Davidovich, is a very good coder, I would say. I've bought some of his products from before, and you can count on them to work. So as you can see here, they are you're really getting a lot of traffic if you choose to get TV Boss and choose to make a channel. Let's say you make a channel for dogs, just like they have done in their test, and this is hands-free after you set it up, okay? So this is just a short video about TV Boss. If you would like to enter at an early stage of a video platform, then this is the time to do it. So Roku is expanding a lot, and if you grab this now, I would say that you have an option to really get in early, and you can be on everybody's TV screens, or you can have other people's videos be on everybody's TV screens promoting your stuff. So if there's one thing we know, that's that is that people love to watch TV, and they love to learn from the TV, and you can use this to basically become an authority on your channel, or yeah, you can make a lot of income from this. So I highly support Dr. Alex Davidovich and his products and the C-Point team. So as you can see here, you have a couple of options, 37 and 57, and yeah, remember to use the coupons, and yeah, that's basically it. So as you can see, once more, this is on TechCrunch. Roku is really going upwards. So that's it for this review. Hope you liked it, and if you want to get it, you'll see a link below this video. Thanks.